Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Open YouTube. Com in your browser and sign into your Google account. Use the same account that you normally use on PC. Make sure you are viewing the desktop site and not a mobile layout. Look to the top right corner of the page for your profile avatar. If you do not see an avatar, refresh the page and confirm you stayed signed in. These initial steps prepare YouTube to accept a theme change in the next actions. Click your profile avatar and select Appearance from the menu. If you have multiple Google accounts, confirm you pick the active one. In the Appearance menu, choose Dark Theme to switch YouTube to a black background immediately. The switch updates the site layout, video watch page, and comments to a dark palette. If you prefer, select Use Device Theme to match your Windows or browser dark mode settings. This setting is the official and supported way to make YouTube black. If Dark Theme does not appear, clear cache and reload YouTube. Com to remove old data. Check Appearance again after reloading and try signing out and signing in. Use Device Theme to sync with your Windows dark mode when that option exists in the browser. If the site still looks light, inspect browser extensions and disable any that change colors. Finally, update your browser and restart it. Updated browsers ensure appearance options appear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.